Feel your cares fall from your shoulders as soon as you drive up the long, winding drive of the Red Rooster B&B in Beech Grove, Tennessee. Nestled in between a hilltop and Jake's Creek, filled with a variety of Middle Tennessee hardwoods, the Red Rooster offers the best view in 3 counties, which is where it sits, near the intersection of Coffee, Bedford, and Rutherford counties. Sit on the front porch to watch the red-tailed hawks patrol the skies, or get up early to watch the family of white-tailed deer wander through the pasture. Sometimes dusk brings Ben Franklin's candidate for the national symbol, the wild turkey, wandering through the dry swale. There's plenty of nothing to do here, which is the way you'll like it when you realize you don't want to leave. All this with luxury accommodations and breakfast so delicious they'll make you want to slap your mama. That's Tennessee talk for pretty darn good. Each morning, a bountiful breakfast will be served. We are willing to make special arrangements if needed. Please be sure to let us know when you make your reservations of any special dietary needs, and we will make every effort to accommodate. For those of you that love antiques, you'll enjoy shopping in the local antique stores in nearby Bell Buckle and Wartrace.